Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, it's me, Pandu. I'm in the kitchen. I'm so excited because we're gonna make breakfast sandwich. Great sandwich must have these ingredients. It has to have protein, like this slice of beef, eggs, lettuce, tomato, onion, and it should have cheese. It's time for cooking. I'm just going to chop this onion. With the tomato. We have heat pan and some cooking oil. Let's put on our slice of beef. Make sure the slice well cooked from both sides. Now on the egg, I wanna make a good sunny side egg. It's time for plating. Stack all the ingredients onto the bread. Beef, cheese, eggs, lettuce, tomato, onion, you can add mayonnaise if you want. And we're done. Cut the bread diagonally. And here how it look. Let's try it. Bismillah. It brings a lot of happiness.